Hi everyone and welcome to Chef's Kitchen, where Ingles caters some of the best events anywhere. I'm Josh Michael here with Chef Kevin, and today we're showing you how to make some amazing food right there at your home. Chef Kevin, what is it today?
We're doing a variation on a dish from Thailand that's called Larb. And it's a warm salad. It can be made either with chicken, ground chicken, or ground pork. Today we're going to use ground pork.
Okay, so you got that going in the wok.
So
what's the next step?
I got the pork going in the wok. Before we get started, I had to make some toasted rice powder.
Okay.
So we took some sushi rice and we put it into a dry pan with no oil and toasted it until it came out to be this color.
Okay.
And then we took it in a little food processor and ground it up a little bit, not to a fine powder, but to like that texture that's right there.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to go ahead and drain the fat off this pork. And basically, this is a street food that they eat over there, and it's got a lot of fresh components to it. Like we have fresh mint leaves in there.
All right.
We have some red onion in there.
You want me to start throwing that in there for you?
Yeah, go ahead and throw that red onion in there for me, Josh.
All right.
Thank you.
And then you want the rice?
I'm going to put the rice last.
Last, all right.
Go ahead and pop that cilantro in there.
Cilantro.
And at this point, the pork is thoroughly cooked, so we want to just toss everything and just toss it around till it's all incorporated. Throw all the scallions in there.
All right.
Okay. Then we have, go ahead and throw those fresh mint leaves in there.
Mint leaves, that's awesome.
Yeah, this is a very refreshing dish.
All right, and then this is what, basil?
That's some fresh basil.
Okay. All right.
So we have the mint, the basil, the scallions.
And what about this?
And this is some palm sugar. Put that palm sugar in there.
All right.
If you don't have palm sugar at home, you can use brown sugar, but that adds a little sweetness to it as well. And then we've got some fish sauce. Go ahead and hit it with some fish sauce, Josh.
Tell me when to stop.
Fish sauce will add some saltiness to it. That's good. That was perfect, actually.
All right.
All right. And then the last ingredient is going to be the crushed red pepper and the rice powder.
Okay.
So crushed red pepper, obviously you can add as much or as little as you want, depending on how spicy you like things. And that's it. Some of that toasted rice powder.
That smells so good.
Yeah, this is good stuff.
All right, now how do we
Go ahead
plate
and
this?
just plate this up like this. And what I have are some cabbage leaves here. And the idea is that you take the cabbage leaves and then you put the meat on it and you eat it like you would eat a lettuce wrap.
Chef Kevin, this looks and smells absolutely amazing, and it's a street food in Thailand.
It sure is, yeah. And it's very fresh and very, it's very pungent as well as far as all the flavors go.
You can smell the mint, you can smell the basil.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for joining us here at the Chef's Kitchen. For more great recipes and to learn about having the Chef's Kitchen cater your next event, visit thechefskitchen.com.
All right,
See you
thank
next
you
time.
and enjoy.